Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the new Nobleman TK02 Full Face Protection Premium Helmet. Nobleman advertises the TK02 as not only a premium helmet that's safe, but also one that has a ton of really cool features. The helmet comes in its own custom box, so it's nice to see some good looking packaging on the helmet. So jumping straight into the unboxing, there are two main pieces included inside of the box. Wrapped in the white loose pieces of foam is a chin guard / mouth guard. It's a detachable one, which is very similar to that on the Ruroc, but it has a couple of key design differences that aim to elevate the performance of this helmet. The actual bulk of the helmet sits in this black drawstring bag and is also wrapped in the white foam. Moving into the detachable chin guard, it's made from a solid, rigid piece of plastic and has two vents on the front for added breathability. The chin guard is secured to the helmet using two pins, one on each side of the helmet. To remove the chin guard from the helmet, simply slide the pin out of place on each side and then pull. To attach the chin guard, simply just click it into place and it should lock automatically. My initial impression when first looking at the helmet was that it resembles a motorcycle helmet. It's kind of got the same form, the glass visor that bends down, and overall its bulk, weight, and extreme robustness make it feel like a heavy-duty helmet or similar to a motorcycle helmet. It's definitely designed for extreme electric vehicle riders that are going to need some serious protection when riding. Now to get into the features that this helmet has, starting with the interior lining. It's made from a super squishy and soft lining that's removable, making this helmet super comfortable. Overall, I was astonished at the quality and the comfort of the helmet considering its bulk. Nobleman also claimed that the helmet has a variety of vents placed in strategic positions to make it well cooled in the summer, though we haven't had any hot weather to test it. Next, we've got the clasp, which is different than what you'd see on a typical e-skating or regular skating helmet. It's more of a motorcycle or snowmobiling or some sort of high-intensity sport helmet clasp. It's got a system that sort of ratchets into place, but it's also got a quick release, meaning that it's not only super secure, but also really easy to take off and super high quality. My personal favorite feature is the sun visor that slides up and down using the lever on the side of the helmet. It's super discreet when you're not using it, but also super easy to pull out using that lever on the side if you've already got the helmet on. I think it's a super cool and interesting design, and I absolutely love it. I also really like the aesthetic of the visor when it's down, as it looks more like a set of goggles than an actual visor, so it's neat how they've managed this effect. In the Pro version of the helmet, there's also a cleared visor that folds up or down similar to a motorcycle helmet, which enables you to block wind if you're riding but don't want those sunshades down. I think it's a really good feature to have as well, as sometimes you're riding at night and don't want the cold in your face, but you don't want those sunshades. Another feature that this helmet includes is a spot for a Bluetooth headset. We personally haven't tested this out, but it is an option. Getting into more technical specifications, the helmet is made from a high-strength ABS anti-collision material and is certified by the DOT, ECE, and 3C authorities. For those of you guys that aren't familiar with these certifications, they're the same ones that motorcycle helmets undergo, so this is a seriously protective helmet. I also really enjoy the chin guard design, as you don't have to remove it in order to put on your helmet or take it off. The TK02 helmet is designed in such a way that the mouthguard doesn't get in the way of putting on the helmet, which I think is super nice. Having now discussed some of the features on the TK02, we are now going to move into a review of what it's been like riding with the TK02 for the past couple of months. To kick off the review portion of this video, I want to start off by saying that this is a big, bulky helmet. Now, I don't say this because it's a bad thing. In fact, it's probably a good thing because this helmet is certified for motorcycle use effectively through those DOT, ECE certifications. I'm just saying that because it's an important thing to be aware of when you're considering purchasing a helmet. It's definitely not going to be the slimmest profile helmet out there. It's going to be heavy and noticeable. Essentially, from a safety perspective, it really is top of the line, but that comes at the expense of the practicality, as it's big and bulky. Despite the helmet being super heavy, it's super comfortable on the inside. I mentioned earlier that the fabric is super soft and cushiony, and when you're inside the helmet, it might feel heavy, but it's also super comfortable. We've also been riding recently in freezing to sub-freezing temperatures here in the winter in Portland, and it's been super warm on the inside, especially with that face shield to keep out all of the wind. Another feature on the TK02 that I've thoroughly enjoyed has been the sun visor, which enables me to control the luminosity inside my helmet without having to fully take it off and put on goggles or sunglasses. One of the nicest things about the TK02 is its versatility. You can really use this helmet in any condition, all weather, summer, or winter, and it'll still be comfortable because you can customize it to feel how you want. The detachable chin guard enables the helmet to be used as a full face or a half face helmet depending on what you find most comfortable and the temperature outside. The visors also allow you to control your visibility and the wind. The one issue that I have had with the visors is that the exterior clear one does tend to fog up if you're breathing heavily and it's cold outside, which can be super annoying and potentially block visibility. We haven't found it to be too much of an issue, but it does happen occasionally. Overall, I've really enjoyed the Nobleman TK02 helmet. Not only is it super protective with great certifications to ensure safety on your electric skateboard, but it's loaded with tons of really cool features that I think make this helmet unique. I would highly recommend this helmet to anyone out there that's an avid e-skater or that's really pushing themselves and going fast on their electric skateboard. It's really important to have a safe helmet while riding, especially in a dangerous activity such as electric skateboarding. I personally don't use the Nobleman TK02 on an everyday basis, just because my riding style is usually below 28 miles an hour, and I'd rather go out with a slimmer profile helmet. However, if I'm going out on a ride where I know I'm going to push myself and reach high speeds, I'll absolutely throw on the Nobleman TK02 helmet just to ensure that I'm being as safe as possible and have the best quality protection. That is it for this video. If you guys are interested in learning more about the Nobleman TK02 helmet, there's a link in the description below to the helmet on Nobleman's website with loads more information. If you guys have any specific questions about this helmet, let us know in the comment section below and we will make sure to get back to you. If you guys enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, we've got tons of other e-skate product reviews and e-skate reviews in the near future coming, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you guys in the next video.